Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make the viral Ghibli style art like this and this. So let's get started. First you have to go to the Chatgpt website. Here you have, if you already have account, you have to log in. If you don't have any account, you can sign up. Continue with Google. Select your account. Continue. And once you are in the Chatgpt interface, here you have to give your image. I have a Ronaldo picture as I am a big fan of Ronaldo, and give a prompt like turn this image into Ghibli studio art. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes. So as you can see, the image is now generated after I think 5 minutes. But do remember guys, the free version will only give you a limited access to image generation. If you are serious about this Ghibli art and want to use it for your business, you will have to subscribe to their paid plan, and this will give you access to more images. So I hope guys you enjoy this video and you learn something new. Give it a thumb and please subscribe for more AI related videos. Thank you.